Today I will discuss why big investors argue keeping money in bank offers a negative return. Hello everyone, I am Hemanta Acharya welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Value Investing. So let's begin. See, most of us prefer to keep our savings in banks rather than investing in equities or share market. Bank fixed deposit offers a steady return, say 7 to 8%. But intelligent investors like Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala or Radhakrishna Damani argue that bank fixed deposit offers a negative return. To know why, please watch the video till the end. Unlike us, they are well aware of a silent killer. Can you name that silent killer? Yes, it is inflation. Inflation is nothing but declining in purchasing power of our money. Say 1 liter of mustard oil costs rupees 100 today. We cannot purchase 1 liter after 1 year with the same 100 rupees. As per Indian government data, the current inflation rate in India is around 6% and is expected to grow in future. I will explain with the help of an example. I have invested rupees 10 lakh in bank fixed deposit at the rate of 8%. What amount will I get after 1 year? See, in our general calculation, what we calculate? Principal and interest. Principal is 10 lakh and interest 80,000 at the rate of 8%. And the total amount will be after 1 year 10 lakh 80,000. But how investors calculate? See, after 1 year, this is also after 1 year. Principal 9 lakh 30,000 after deducting 7% of inflation. We assume here inflation rate is 7%. Inflation and the interest income. See, interest from bank fixed deposit is fully taxable and the tax rate is very high. It is around 30%. So we deduct tax from the interest. Interest is 80,000 and tax amount will be 24,000. So it will be 56,000 and total 9,86,000. See, there is a big difference between these figures. This is why they are called intelligent investors. Thus we can conclude that in conjunction with inflation and tax, bank fixed deposit offers a negative return or cannot offer a positive return. From the calculation, we have seen that avoiding equity investment means most likely we are unable to beat inflation. Over the last many decades across the world, among all investments, equities have outperformed all others in the long run. I am repeating the sentence. Over the last many decades across the world, among all investments, equities have outperformed all others in the long run. So, not participating in share market is riskier for us. See, to master any art, it requires time. A good amount of time, dedication and a burning desire of learning will help us to make a great investor. From my next videos, I will try my best attempts to present in an easy to understanding and interesting way so that anyone from any background can master the art called share market investments. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.